Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to reduce background noise in DaVinci Resolve. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To reduce background noise in DaVinci Resolve, you can follow these steps. So the first step would be, open DaVinci Resolve and import the footage with the background noise you want to reduce. Just follow the prompts. Switch to the Fairlight page by clicking on the Fairlight tab at the bottom of the screen. In the Fairlight page, locate your audio clip on the timeline. Now, click on the audio clip, and the Fairlight audio editor will open at the bottom of the screen. In the Fairlight audio editor, find the equalizer panel on the EQ, double-click it. This panel allows you to adjust different frequency ranges. Now, use the equalizer to identify the frequency range of the background noise. You can do this by boosting specific frequency bands and listening for the noise. Just follow the prompts. Once you identify the frequency range of the background noise, apply equalization to reduce or cut those frequencies. You can use filters or adjust the gain for specific frequency bands. Now, DaVinci Resolve also provides noise reduction tools. Just follow the prompts. To do this, go to the Edit section, then click on the Audio, then go to Effects, then go to Audio Effects, then find Noise Reduction, then drag it to the audio, then toggle Auto Mode. And when you're ready to export your final video, render the audio. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.